in my section of trail, there's a couple water bars right near the road that need some reinforcing with rock. This one, there's like kind of two rocks I can see here, and there's kind of this central section which people have been avoiding, but this central section which is kind of ideally should be reinforced more with rock because there's a reasonable little stretch up there. But I'm not going to be building this water bar today, and almost certainly not this year, but out here with Pickmatic and rock bar to just go try to find some rocks to put in it. Headed uphill because that's where it's a lot easier to move rocks downhill to a place than to move them uphill. So just looking around uphill to see if I can find any exposed rocks that I can use as part of that water bar. Well, here's a nice rock, but it's far too big. So looks like there's one right here which might be a little bit, like I can move it a little bit here and might be kind of too big for that particular use case down there, though it'd be good to have a really nice solid step. Some other ones, so I'll try to move these around and see what I can do and get them down to where I might want to use them. Apologize for the weird angle. I forgot my tripod today, so I'm having to prop this up in a tree. Yeah, this is a good rock for what I'm trying to do. Just maybe need to bring two rock bars for actually setting it. Got a good little pile of rocks there. Probably more than I need at this site, though I'm not quite sure how many I need because I haven't tried setting them together and haven't even really decided on where the rock water bar is going to go. Might be up here, might be down there. Just have to decide based on the day of and kind of thinking about it a little more, and have a couple more of these, well really one more of them up higher where I'll also be doing more work. And but it's okay to have extra here because I've got another rock water bar I want to make further down that I can, any leftovers from this site can be moved further down the hill, because I think actually most of the good rocks are up there. There's kind of some exposed ledge up there that's having these rocks fragment off it. So I think if I'm doing it down there, there might be a few that I can find in this area, but they're probably coming from up where I got these as well. But feel successful today to get moving towards making those rock water bars. Wait, tree, you're only half the joke. When you blaze a tree, it's going to fall down. And when a tree falls down next to the trail, it's going to fall onto the trail. Note to self, bring at least one other person, 2 rock bars, pickmatic, shovel, cuttermatic. I think that should be good. Maybe a Pulaski for dealing with worse roots.